Hi guys, in this tutorial, I will share a super easy way to create these flying dragon videos with AI step by step. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Firstly, we want to go to the GPT's page. You can find the official link in the description. Type in AI Flying Dragon Generator and choose this GPT to start chat. Click on Show me 10 dragon types. It will automatically provide 10 cool ideas for you to choose. Select the one you like to continue. For example, I want a fourth option. Type in 4, and it will give us the prompts for image and video. Next, we want to use HitPaw FotorPea for image generation. We can access it from the official link here. I will also put all the links of the tools I use in the description. Once we enter HitPaw FotorPea, click on AI Generator and use text to image. Copy the image prompt and paste it here. Choose GPT Image 2 model. Click on Generate, and within seconds, we have these amazing image created. These are the examples I created earlier. Now that we have the image, the next step is to use HitPaw VikPea for video generation. Click on AI Video Generator. Choose Image to Video, then choose Dance 2.0 model. Upload the image we created just now. Again, copy and paste the video prompt in the prompt area. After that, you may customize the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, and proceed to generate. When it's completed, we have the cool flying dragon POV video. Here are more examples. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.